I'm out here on my second load of feed this morning. I already have these ladies fed to the right. Now I'm feeding these ones over here on the left. I got 2 loads to do that way, one in that barn, and then there's another barn closer to the road. It is currently about 4:15 in the morning, and I can't get my GoPro to work.